iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Kaizer Chiefs 0, TS Galaxy 0. One of those days where we have to preside over a 0-0. It's never nice, especially when there's Champions League, European Champions League matches playing at the same time. Man City, Atletico Madrid, Benfica, Liverpool. You would rather be there, really. Tso Vilakazi, what did you make of the game, sir?
Ngcolisa wena mfethu ngibulisa Justice ngibulisa Drake ngibulisa Julian ngibulisa nanemakhaya cela support njalo iDiskiTV zibeka nje obinjalo ngijiki futhi kulo cela ubhekela emehlweni amehlo ama kuna problem nyana mhlambi ubo radio something
Abomvu ndoda
ya ngcolile amehlo ami kuleka ngcole kabi so kumele nje clean amehlo ami manje mangifika endlini idlala iChampions League
ukwatiyona
ayoba clean manje amehlo ayoba clean kabi manje kuleko not ukuthi I'm disappointed sekujwayelekile sekusegazini where you'll see Chiefs with 5 defenders you'll see them they run out of ideas Ngonokovic playing on the left ufaka uDoli lapha as a top man uphaka on the right I don't know ukuthi ufuna ukwenzani TS Galaxy that's why I'm not surprised that's why balapha enzansi is because of the way they are playing nguleko it was a bit better when you see now sengene yabo uLontuzana uNgcobo kungene uGadebe now you could see ukuthi kunama combination play nyana uDoli now uyavuka nyana naye he wants to do something it was much better like not it much better bese khona into esesiyibona not better ngoba yazi bazofaka igama lokuthi better ushould bekubukeka
there was no overall improvement
yes but the way those touches 1 or 2 nyana uNgcobo hit iLontuzana upright so at least ubonile nje lokho nalokho but really Nkuleko I don't know where Chiefs are going and I was so surprised on social media yethu yangichaza because people they talk abanye wonke umuntu une view yakhe ayibeke in reality life kahle when we become honest this team inga challenge iSundowns for league hayi maybe mhlambe ngibukela ini Chiefs mina mhlambe ningisizeni bafithu ukuthi no Tso wena uboni kahle this is the Chiefs ezolanda iSundowns ezocover ama points kulanda iSundowns la ukuthi iSundowns ingabe comfortable kuwin league if this is the Chiefs that they talking about I don't know ukuthi iyiplay game abayibukelayo because
what the Chiefs can win the league against the Sundowns. Now, which was that was SuperSport?
No, Nkuleko, I think which was
he's working for SuperSport.
No, I think which was that there was something in Mhlambe bega ikhulumela not per se really ukulanda Sundowns because mase sikhuluma nje amaqiniso nje kahle. This is not the team that will challenge Sundowns. Not even a bit. Nkuleko, we're talking about people bebadlala Champions League bashaya abantu. Champions League hayi ukuthi bebawina ngiyakupusha goal bal create cha ngene phakathi alishaya uRomano lapha so if we saying this is a team that is going to challenge for a league mina Nkuleko to be honest I think in the team today coach if he wants to build akaqale manje akabuild the team akakhohlwe Sundowns aqale for next season to build the team
is he capable of building a team
that's a problem ukuthi
style sakhe is it conducive
yabona igama leli building leli labashali bokuthi bangaphandle engathi abalazi ukuthi lisho ukuthini because uStewart for me I think ufailile Chiefs in all the angles you've got players Nkuleko when you want to play a certain style of play you look at the players that you've got to go can they play the style of play you cannot play with that 3 defenders labayana they ball watch all of them it's just that ukuthi uGwem didn't have enough support if he had support from first half ngabe we call the Chiefs because bekakhona ukuthi athole ibhola 10 in front of them by 3 bamela no one is closing him down and then what do you expect so Kuleko, there's nothing much about Chiefs.
Let's wrap it up. Mr. So it was 0-0, boring game of football. You guys said as much at halftime when you were shooting the halftime video. What does this where does this put TS Galaxy? Because they're number 15 on the log. They have maybe 6 matches left in the league now, 6 or 7 matches left in the league now. Do they play like a team that can rescue themselves out of la position ka number 15? Below them is Baroka, ku number 16. Number 15 and number 16, kudlala playoffs of 15, number 16 gets relegated automatically.
Yeah, I think maybe they need to buyela khona laphana because the way they're playing, for me, I don't see them ukuthi really they can really survive kahle because if you look at the Chiefs the way they were playing, it was there for the taking for them. They fanele ngabe bayiwinile le game le and then bazame ukuthi baphakame, but the way bangakhona, and Nguleko ezinye izinto kubhlungu when you see them and when you respect people. I respect the chairman with TS Galaxy because he's a chairman that we all grow simbona, and I always have this thing with he's got a good eye of players, and growing with he's got a good eye of players. Then I look at his team and look at the players that are playing. I ask myself, and then what's happening?
All right.
Yeah, but anyway, Nguleko, we will see the last game.
There you go. That's TS Galaxy Kaizer Chiefs. It's one of those days. Sometimes we are unfortunate. Natisham, we will preside over a 0-0 draw on a Tuesday evening, where better things could be done with the time. Unfortunately, to you and us as well, we had to preside over that game. 0 Kaizer Chiefs, TS Galaxy 0. Apologies for you seeing that game. Hopefully tomorrow, with Sundowns and Pirates playing, we can see better games. iDiskiTV, Diski Times, World Sports Betting.